Hey everyone! Welcome back to IndoorsyMom. Today I'm making these juicy and flavorful air fryer chicken skewers. Super easy, quick, and delicious. Make sure to watch till the end for the perfect garlic butter glaze. Alright, let's start by marinating our chicken. I'm using chicken breast cut into small cubes, perfect for skewers. Now, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and about half a teaspoon of grated ginger. These two make the chicken super flavorful. Next, add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Then season with salt and pepper. A little pinch of paprika or cayenne gives it that mild, spicy kick and nice color. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of oil to keep the chicken juicy while air frying. And finally, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for that fresh, zesty flavor. Now mix everything well until the chicken is fully coated. We'll let this marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes so all those delicious flavors soak in. Now, let's place them in the air fryer basket. We'll cook these at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes first. Then, flip the skewers and brush them with our delicious garlic butter sauce before air frying for another 5 to 6 minutes. Keep brushing the sauce in between for that glossy, buttery finish. Now let's make our delicious garlic butter glaze. In a small pan, melt about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, add 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic. Then sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of dried parsley for color and aroma. You can also add a little paprika for that nice golden color and extra flavor. Totally optional, but so good season with a bit of salt and pepper, then give it a quick stir. And there you have it. Our rich and buttery garlic glaze is ready. We'll use this to brush on our chicken skewers while air frying, and again right before serving for that perfect glossy finish. It makes the chicken extra juicy and full of flavor, so don't skip this step. And here it is, our juicy air fryer chicken skewers with garlic butter glaze. Look how golden and glossy they turned out, so tender and full of flavor. I love brushing that extra garlic butter right before serving. It gives that perfect shine and taste. You can enjoy this with rice, salad, or even on its own as a quick snack. It's an easy and delicious recipe that's sure to be a family favorite. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy meals here on IndoorsyMom. See you in the next one.